Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the finite difference method. Finite difference methods for the numerical solution of a differential equation are the difference equations obtained from the given differential equations. The procedure consists in replacing the derivatives in the differential equation and boundary conditions by the finite difference approximations, and then we solve the resulting system of algebraic equations by direct and indirect methods. There are so many difference approximations for solving the given differential equations. Now, let us develop a suitable difference approximations by assuming that the y-axis may be expanded by Taylor's series in the interval x minus h is less than x is less than or equal to x plus h. Therefore, we have this is y of x plus h, this is equal to y of x plus h into y dash of x plus h square upon factorial to y double dash x plus and so on. Similarly, we have this is y of x minus h into y dash of x plus h square upon factorial 2, this is y double dash of x plus and so on. From the equation first, we have this is y dash x equals to this is y of x plus h minus y of x upon h plus order of h. This denotes the forward difference for y dash x. This is the forward difference for y dash x. Similarly, from the equation second, we have this is y dash x equals to this is yx minus y of x minus h upon h plus order of h. Suppose it is 4. This equation denotes the backward difference for y dash x. In another words, we can say it is a forward difference equation for first derivative. This is the backward difference for y dash x. Again, if we for the better approximation, we subtract first from second, then we have Again, from first and second, we have, this is first minus second. This denotes y dash x equals to, this is y of x plus h. Suppose adding from first and second. If you are adding from first and second, then we have, sorry, it is subtraction. Subtract from first and second, we have y dash x plus h minus, this is y of x minus h upon, this is 2h plus order of h. This equation number 5. This relation denotes the central difference for y dash x. We know that it is a better difference approximation. This is the central difference approximation for y dash x. To find the higher order difference approximations for y double dash x, we have, on adding first and second, we have now for the finite difference for y double dash x, we have, on adding first and second, we get, this is first plus 2, this is y x plus h this is y x plus h on adding first and second, we have, this is for y double dash x, this can be written as, this equals to, on adding first and second, this is y x plus h plus y of x minus h equals to, this is 2 y of x plus h square upon factorial 2, this is y double dash of x, it is of 2 times, therefore this can be written as h square this, and neglecting the higher order of, now we have this can be written as, this is y double dash of x equals to, this is y of x plus h minus 2y of x plus, this is y of x minus h upon h square plus order of h. Similarly, we can obtain the higher order finite difference approximations. Suppose we want to nth order approximations, then we divide the closed interval AB into n subintervals with x j equals to, this is a plus jx, j equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. If you are putting j equal to 0, then we have x0. When we are putting j equal to 1, then we have x1 equal to a plus h, where x0 is a and xn where x, if you divide this AB into n subintervals, then we have xj equals to a plus jh, j equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, with x0 equals to a and xn equals to a plus ns. This is B. If we want to find the difference approximation, finite difference approximations for y dash x and y double dash x at the point x equal to xj, then we have, this is y dash of xj equals to then we have we know that y dash of x equals to, this is y of x plus h minus y of x upon h. So at the point x equal to xj, we can write this is y j dash equals to, this is y of j plus 1 minus y of j upon h. Similarly, this is the first finite difference for the first derivative. This is y dash x equal to, this can be written as, this is y j minus y j minus 1 upon h, because we know that, and the third is given by, this is y j dash, because we know that y dash of x equals to, by the central difference, y of x plus h minus y of x minus h upon 2h. This can be written as, this is y j dash equal to, this is y of j plus 1, this is minus y of j minus 1 upon 2h. This is the first finite difference for y dash x. Similarly, the second finite difference for y, the finite difference for y double dash x is given by, this can be written as, this is y j dash equal to, this is y j plus 1, this is minus 2yj plus, this is y j minus 1 upon h square plus order of h. If you neglect the higher order derivatives, then we have, if you neglect the higher order differences, then we have this is y j plus 1 minus 2yj plus y j minus 1 equals to h square into yj dash. This is yj, it is yj double dash. So it is yj double dash. This is yj double dash. Here we neglecting the higher order differences. This method, this relation is known as the finite difference method of order 2 with the truncation error. With the truncation error h की power 4 upon 12 y for derivative of xi, where x minus j minus 1 is less than xi is less than x j plus 1. This is known as, so yj plus 1 minus 2yj plus yj minus 1 equal to h square y double this j. This is called the second order finite difference method with the truncation error h to the power 4.12 by 4 xi, where xi lies between x minus j and x j plus 1. This is the required second order finite difference method. We will discuss about the numerical method in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.